Hey there, tired of the paycheck-to-paycheck grind? I get it, I've been there. But what if I told you there's a real beginner-friendly way to earn your first $10,000 online, using nothing but your smartphone 2 hours a day, and zero tech skills? Sounds too good to be true? I thought so too, but then I saw what Michele O'Neil was doing. She's helped thousands of everyday people, just like you and me, build legit online businesses. Stick around, because I'm about to break down Michele's entire life-changing strategy step by step, so you can decide for yourself if this is your ticket to finally breaking free. Look, I'm all about keeping things real. And the truth is, most online business stuff out there is either too complicated or just doesn't work. But Michele's method, it's built around simplicity. You don't need fancy equipment, just your phone and social media. You don't need to quit your job and go all in, just 2 hours a day is all it takes. You're building something sustainable, right from your kitchen table or couch during nap time or after dinner. Think about what you could do with an extra $10,000 a month. Pay off debt, take that dream vacation, finally have some breathing room, that's what we're talking about here. Real life-changing money without upending your entire life. This is a proven system that's already working for thousands of people from all walks of life. Stay tuned because in the next chapter, I'm going to introduce you to some of these everyday people who are getting extraordinary results with Michele's system. Okay, so you're probably thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but does this actually work for regular people like me? Here's the thing, it's not just about what I say, it's about the results people are getting. I want you to meet Cecilia from South Africa. She was drowning in debt, barely making ends meet, but in just 3 months of using Michele's strategy, she went completely debt-free and is now living her dream life by the ocean. And Cecilia's not alone. Let's talk about Chris, a single dad from Florida. He was working multiple jobs just to keep his head above water. But after implementing Michele's blueprint, he's now earning $1,800 a day. Whether you're in New Zealand, the US, or anywhere in between, this system is designed to work globally. In the next chapter, we're diving deep into the automated business system that does the heavy lifting for you, so you can literally make money while you sleep. Now, this isn't some post and pray method where you're just throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. This is about setting up a real, automated business system that works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Michele's system uses something called a capture page and a thank you page. Think of them as your 24/7 sales team, working tirelessly in the background, so you don't have to. This means your system is constantly attracting new customers, capturing their information, and guiding them through the sales process. All on autopilot. No more chasing leads, no more manually messaging strangers, just a seamless, automated flow. Imagine waking up to notifications that you've made sales while you were sleeping. It frees up your time and allows you to focus on what really matters. Spending time with your kids, pursuing your passions, or just taking a well-deserved break. And the best part? You don't need any tech skills to set this up. Michele provides you with step-by-step instructions and templates so you can have your automated system up and running in no time. But what if you don't have a following or any tech skills? Don't worry, we'll cover that in the next chapter. One of the biggest roadblocks people face when it comes to starting an online business is the fear of the unknown. They think, I'm not tech savvy, or I don't have thousands of followers. But here's the truth. You don't need any of that to be successful with Michele's system. This system is designed for everyday people, busy moms, dads, students, retirees, anyone who has 2 hours a day and the desire to create a better life for themselves. You don't need a fancy website, a tech degree, or even a huge social media following. Michele started from scratch just like you. She understands the challenges and has created a system that's so simple and straightforward anyone can follow it. No more feeling overwhelmed by complicated tech tutorials or spending hours trying to crack the social media algorithm. Michele provides you with all the tools and resources you need to succeed, even if you're starting with zero experience. This is your chance to build something incredible, without the tech headaches or the pressure of building a massive audience from scratch. Now, you might be wondering, what am I actually selling? In the next chapter, we're diving into the world of digital products and how you can earn 100% profit margins without dealing with inventory, shipping, or returns. Okay, here's the part that really got me excited. You earn 100% commissions from digital products. That means no dealing with physical inventory, no shipping nightmares, no customer service headaches, just pure, instant profit, straight to your account. Think about it. When was the last time you walked into a store and saw a 100% off sale? Never, right? But in the digital world, that's the reality. You're selling products that people can download instantly, ebooks, courses, software, you name it, and you keep every single penny of the sale. And because these products are in high demand, people are actively searching for them online. You're not trying to convince someone to buy something they don't need. You're providing solutions to their problems and getting rewarded handsomely for it. Now you might be thinking, but what if I don't know anything about creating digital products? Don't worry, you don't have to. Michele provides you with a library of proven high-quality digital products that you can start selling right away. In the next chapter, we'll explore the massive market potential of the digital goods industry and why this is the perfect time to get started. Let's talk numbers for a second. The digital goods economy is a $950 billion industry, and it's growing rapidly. That's almost $1 trillion opportunity, and you don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing guru to get a piece of the pie. Think about it. Every day, millions of people are going online to learn new skills, solve problems, and improve their lives. They're looking for solutions in the form of digital products. And that's where you come in. With Michele's system, you're not limited by geography or traditional business constraints. You can reach a global audience, scale your income exponentially, and create a business that fits your lifestyle. No more commuting, no more office politics, just the freedom to work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn and take action. In the next chapter, we'll explore her proven product tier system that allows you to start small and scale up as you grow. One of the things I love about Michele's system is that it's designed to meet you where you are. Whether you're just starting out or you're ready to scale to 6 figures and beyond, there's a product tier for you. Want to start small and dip your toes in the water? Promote the $100 or $300 programs. These are great entry-level products that allow you to get your feet wet, gain confidence, and start seeing results quickly. Ready to level up your income? Focus on the $600 or $900 products. These higher ticket offers can significantly boost your earnings and help you reach your financial goals faster. Just think, 12 sales a month at the top level is all it takes to hit $10,000 in monthly income. The beauty of this system is that you're in control. You choose the products you want to promote based on your goals and your comfort level. In the next chapter, we'll explore Michele's free organic marketing strategies that can help you attract customers without breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. Marketing? That sounds expensive and complicated, but here's the thing. Michele teaches completely free organic marketing strategies that can help you attract customers without spending a dime on ads. It's all about leveraging the power of social media, classified ads, and short-form video content to reach your target audience organically. Imagine posting engaging content on social media, sharing valuable information, and attracting people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Or how about creating short, attention-grabbing videos that pique people's curiosity and leave them wanting more? Video marketing is exploding right now, and it's an incredibly effective way to connect with your audience and drive sales. And don't underestimate the power of classified ads. They're a free and effective way to reach a targeted audience who are actively looking for what you're selling. Michele provides you with step-by-step training on how to implement these strategies effectively. So, even if you're a complete marketing novice, you'll have all the guidance you need to succeed. Okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. What does a typical 2-hour workday look like with Michele's system? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, spend 30 minutes posting free ads. Remember those classified ads we talked about? This is where you'll put them to work for you. Target your ideal customer, craft a compelling ad, and watch the leads roll in. Next, dedicate 1 hour to creating 3 short videos. Don't worry, you don't need fancy equipment or editing skills. Just grab your phone, be yourself, and share valuable content that resonates with your audience. Think of it as having a casual conversation with a friend. Finally, spend the last 30 minutes responding to emails and messages As your business grows, you'll start receiving inquiries from potential customers. This is your chance to build relationships, answer questions, and close sales. 2 hours of focused work, and you're done for the day. The rest of the time is yours to spend however you choose, with your kids, your partner, or pursuing your passions. Look, I'll be honest with you, this isn't just about the money. Sure, the financial freedom that comes with earning $10,000 a month is incredible, but it's about so much more than that. It's about the freedom to spend more time with your loved ones, to pursue your passions, to finally take that dream vacation you've always talked about. It's about waking up every day excited about your work, knowing that you're in control of your destiny. For moms and dads who are struggling to make ends meet, this could be the answer to your prayers. Imagine being able to stay home with your kids, to be there for all the milestones, to provide for your family without sacrificing your time with them. For aspiring entrepreneurs who are tired of the 9-to-5 grind, this is your chance to build something meaningful, something that lights you up inside. It's about creating a legacy of freedom, not just for yourself, but for your children and generations to come. Michele O'Neil has created a roadmap to success, and she's here to guide you every step of the way. So if you're ready to ditch the rat race, fire your boss and start building the life you deserve, I encourage you to take action today. Click the link in the description and sign up for Michele's free webinar. It's packed with even more valuable information about her system. And you'll get to hear firsthand from people just like you who are already seeing incredible results. Your phone is already in your hand. Why not use it to change your life? Take that first step today, and let's start building your dream future together.